Today we are going to review how to make a final payment for one of your providers in your MDinteractive account. You'll want to start by choosing your favorite web browser and going to www.mdinteractive.com. Once on our homepage, you can then enter in your username and password and log into your MDinteractive account. Once you have entered into your account, you will want to review the information for the provider that you plan to pay for. You do that by scrolling down and looking at the section titled PQRS Providers. This section provides you with a summary of your provider and your information currently in MDinteractive. As you can see here, the consent has been successfully signed for this provider using the NPI number that has been entered, as well as the tax ID number. If the consent had not been successfully signed, you would see that this were red. Moving on to the summary, you will look at the PQRS payment adjustment. What this states is that the measures group that has been completed for this provider will most likely avoid adjustment from CMS. As you can see, there are no errors left in the diabetes measures group, and the status states that the only thing missing for this provider is final payment. If there were still errors in the diabetes measures group, you would then see this red as well as a red X, noting that there were still errors in existence. As we can see from the summary, the consent is signed and the measures group has been successfully completed. It is now time to proceed to checkout. This can be done by first adding to cart the provider that you want to pay for. You click on this red button, and you can see that it says proceed to checkout with one NPI. Select this green button. This will take you to a payment screen where you will again see the provider's name, the NPI, and the tax ID number that you will be paying for. If there are additional NPIs or tax ID numbers, you could add those here as well. Then you will select the Pay button. This will take you to a PayPal account. You do not have to pay with a PayPal account, but you are welcome to if you have one. On the left-hand side, you will see your account summary. On the right-hand side, you will see the two payment options. Either option number 1, to pay with a PayPal account, or option number 2, to pay with an online account, debit, or credit card. Please choose the way that you would prefer to pay and follow the prompts with PayPal. Once you have successfully completed entering in all of your credit card information and making your final payment, you will receive an email stating that your account has been paid and the amount at which it has been paid for. There is also another way to note that your account has been successfully completed. Once you have completed your payment, you can then return to your account homepage and see that the payment has been completed. You can see under the section labeled PQRS Payments, the date and time with which the payment was made, the amount, the type of payment made, the quantity of providers that you have paid for, the year, and the NPI and tax ID number. That summary is on your homepage, as well as the full completion under the PQRS providers. As you can see, everything has been marked done. The payment has been made, the consent has been successfully signed, the measures group has been completed without error and avoids adjustment, the status column shows that there is no pending status, and the measures of the preventative care measures group has been done. Congratulations! You have successfully completed your final payment. Thank you.